Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AmpCoin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. Today we will tell you news about AmpCoin cryptocurrency. CryptoCouple's victory against the IRS comes at the cost of regulatory clarity. In May 2021, a Tennessee couple, Joshua Jarrett and Jessica Jarrett, jurors, filed a complaint with the IRS arguing that Tezos staking rewards they earned should not be taxed at the time of receipt. The couple requested a tax refund of $3,793 by filing an amended tax return. In December 2021, the U.S. Department of Justice directed the IRS to issue the full refund. The jurors refused to accept the refund because the IRS didn't acknowledge the true reasoning for issuing the refund. This reasoning was essential to create a precedent for other stakers and protect himself from IRS scrutiny in the future. The jurors decided to take this to the court to get a formal court ruling. In a motion to dismiss dated February 28, 2022, the U.S. Department of Justice dismissed the jurors' attempt to take the case to the court because the case lacks merit. On July 31, 2020, the couple filed an amended tax return, arguing that $9,407 staking income shouldn't have been income in the first place. The amended return demanded a $3,793 tax refund from the IRS. The couple didn't receive a timely response from the IRS. In a complaint dated May 21, 2021, the couple argued that newly created property is taxed only at the time of sale, not at the time of receipt. For example, if you create a book, you pay taxes only when you sell it, not at the time you are done authoring the book. In response to this complaint, the Tax Division of the U.S. Department of Justice ordered the IRS to issue a refund of $3,793 on a letter dated December 20, 2021. The jurors received a $4,001.83, $3,793, plus $208.03 of interest under 26 U.S.C. 6611, calculated to January 28, 2022, refund check on February 14, 2022. Interestingly, the jurors refused to accept the refund because the IRS didn't acknowledge the true reasoning for issuing the refund. This reasoning is essential to create a precedent for other stakers to protect themselves from IRS scrutiny in the future. The jurors decided to take this to the court to get a formal court ruling. In a court document dated February 28, 2022, the Tax Division of U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ, dismissed the jurors' attempt to get an official ruling from the court on staking. In the document, the DOJ argues that the jurors' case is moot. In other words, there's no issue that remains unsettled, open to argument or debatable, because the IRS has issued a full refund including the interest, exactly what the jurors requested. Here, the United States granted a full refund of the amount the jurors asked for in the complaint, with interest and without receiving anything in return. It was not an offer to compromise. In the next meeting, Fed Chair Jerome Powell said in a press conference following the release of the FOMC statement. Powell explained that the committee is confident that the U.S. economy will withstand less accommodative monetary policies as it is currently very strong. However, the chairman highlighted how the current Russian-Ukrainian war can lead to even greater inflationary prices. Over the short term, we expect inflation to return to 2%. But it is likely to take longer than previously expected, Powell said. No one knows with any certainty where the economy will be 1 year or more from now. Powell explained that in his view, it isn't likely that the U.S. enters a financial depression as FOMC participants continue to foresee growth and low unemployment rates. Bitcoin spiked above $40,000 as the Federal Reserve announced it would hike interest rates and shrink its balance sheet. The peer-to-peer currency had been consolidating below that level for nearly a month with momentary spikes in the daily chart. It is unclear whether the level will hold. In addition to Bitcoin, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 indices have also turned green to score gains above 2% at press time. While assets perceived as riskier in the minds of investors, including growth stocks and Bitcoin, tend to bleed as monetary policies tighten up, the FOMC statement came in line with expectations, shedding fears that a more hawkish set of policies could have been announced instead. So next news. Launch of crypto donation site, a big boost for Ukraine's military fighting the Russian invaders. Numerous news reports said the fundraising platform is a partnership between the country's Ministry of Digital Transformation, cryptocurrency company Everstake, and crypto exchange FTX. According to Aid for Ukraine website, the platform currently accepts digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether and Dogecoin. It outlines how donations are translated to US dollars and transmitted to Ukraine's national bank via a centralized exchange. Alexander Bornyakov, Ukraine's Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation, said in a statement, "Cryptocurrencies are critical to Ukraine's military. Cryptoses have proven to be incredibly helpful in enabling the flow of funds to Ukrainian residents and soldiers, as well as in raising global awareness and interest." Target, $200 million. Almost $100 million in virtual currency has been sent to aid the people of Ukraine in recent weeks. Bornyakov added. The Ukrainian government is also accepting cryptocurrency donations, having secured around $54 million as of March 11, or approximately a quarter of the platform's $200 million objective. Fiat donations to Ukraine's central bank are also accepted in a variety of currencies. Within the same interface, anyone may now select the desired donation amount and selected cryptocurrency, connect a wallet, and finally, let's take a look at the near future of AMP coin. But before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them.